Hi! Good morning, ka-blessed! Punta kami ng forum, Mandara Forum. So ngayon lang tayo nag-open ng ating vlog. Time check, 11:39. But we left home around past 9 in the morning. So let's go there and have a shop for Moana's winter clothes. You need to be an elastic mama so you can wear some Moana's thingy. So yeah. Yes. Good morning, early afternoon na. So 3 hours driving ito, mga ka-blessed. Maulan doon sa Pemberton. Pagdating dito sa Mandara, wala na siyang ulan. Our Moana is not feeling well kasi mayroon siyang sinat, but still masigla naman siya. Baka kulang lang sa gala ito. Maybe Moana's how do you call it, she become good again when going shopping mall. Parang si JD is sick, but when we take him to Jollibee, then he's good again. Instantly. Gumaling. Baka si Moana ganyan din. Yeah. So ayan, maaraw dito ngayon kahit pa paano. I will show you ano ang view natin, ka-blessed. In 1, 2, 3 lang. Ayan. Yun ang ating view ngayon. Medyo makulimlim siya, but still hindi naman umuulan. Let me see daw. So hindi masyado busy ang kalsada natin ngayon. So this is our right view. Front view. And our left view. You wanna see the back view? Then the back view. Ay! Ayun!
Nice move.
Yeah.
I like it. Huh? Take it home.
It's fit on my bag anyway. Baka blessed. Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog doon kanina sa shopping mall. Ang last vlog ko doon yung nagkakape kami. Yun lang. Then yung in-order namin na food, hindi ko din na-vlog yun. Pork spicy kay daddy, sa akin is banana bread toasted with butter and chips kay Moana. Yun lang. And then wala na tayong vlog. Naalala ko lang na sa car na tayo ulit. Hello, welcome to the south. Ayan ang ating may wagang underground. Ay, hindi pala tulay. Ayan, kita nyo na. Pag nagpasa natin yung tulay na yan, ayan, sa south na tayo. That is the boundary. Ayan ang bata natin, tulog na. Actually, katutulog lang din niya. Medyo hindi pa siya totally magaling. Ano. So, we left Mandara past 3 o'clock. O dumating tayo dun kanina past 12. So, ayan. Update tayo ulit mamaya kapag nandun na tayo. Nagising yung bata. Ulit, hindi pala kayo naka-play. This is Moana's Unicorn Pantulog. Ayan. Terno yan siya. Then, ang unicorn shoes din niya. Ayan, pambahay. Another shoes. School shoes niya. Same pa rin yung lumang shoes niya. But size 12 na to siya. Si luma niya is size 11. Yes, maliit na sa kanya na blessed. Then, bumili ako ng card paper. Yes, ang kanya, nakabili ako nito.
Mama, what's this dog?
Gaya ng ating mga,
What's this dog?
I don't know, folder, office.
Office mode.
Yeah, basta yun din siya. Dalawa yung binili namin like this. Dalawa. And then, ball pen. 50 cents na lang. Natuwa eh.
Mama,
Hanggang
what
kay
is
Daddy.
the one? Mom, Dad, or Mama?
Another travel shirt ni Daddy, a long sleeve. Ano yung call it?
Mama, what is the one? Mommy, Daddy, or Moana?
I want both of them. Daddy Moana.
Daddy, Moana?
So you wanna try first?
No, you can take it off. It's all good.
$12 lang pala to. Then, ayan, bumili si Daddy ng ginseng.
Mama, what's this dog?
Ginseng for Daddy. And another winter clothes for Moana. Yay! Today is Moana shopping day, kasi Kasi dito sa area namin, wala kang mahanap na pambata dito. As in, size 6 itong binili namin. Para malaki na. Wala. So, sinadya talaga namin mag-drive ng 3 hours. Papunta, 3 hours pabalik. Para lang makabili ng pakakaimuwa na. There's more. Ayan. Ito. Need niya ito. At least, magagamit pa rin yan kahit hindi. Winter. Bibili sa kanyang sa kanyang simba. Why is it said danger? Remove hanger tape. Ah, okay. This one. Yay! Moana's day today! Ta-da! Wow!
Mama, I want my favorite
It's funny, no, no top, only. So, velvet na panjama
You
ni
would have
Moana.
thought it's one set.
Yes. So, yan, size 5 ito. Kasi malaki siya. Size 5. Then, ayan, this is what to choose. It's size 6. Oh, size 6? Size 6 pala. I thought it's size 12. Size 5.
She had 7 and then you took 6. It's still good.
Then, one more unicorn t-shirt. Yeah.
Mama, let me see.
$4.50.
And Moana?
Yes. Wow, this is yours. Yay. You can pair it with this.
No.
Another sleepwear, Baturasan Terno. $5 na lang from 15. Nice wise buy, no? Yay. One more. Oh, this is Terno.
This is from Daddy.
Yes, Daddy chose this for you.
Daddy, we want it?
Yes.
Daddy, we want?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy wants to choose?
Yeah. This one is size 4. Para masuot niya agad. So, Terno yan siya, tsaka ito. Ano kasi malambot. Pwede din sa kahit hindi. Yay! Look at this. See? So, tonight, ayan ang mga nabili natin ka-blessed. Yun na yun sila, mga nabili. So, tonight, Moana gonna wear this one. Yay! Yeah. 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 So, yan yun. Ano pang wow. It's too wow.
Wanna too many goodies.
Yay.
Nice and warm this winter.
Yay. Thank you, Daddy. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yay, thank you, Moana, for being happy today.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. You don't like it? Try to sit. So, yun ang ating shopping haul mga ka-blessed. Dumating pala kami dito is 6:38 na. So, okay lang. Hindi kami masyado na ginabi. So, ang ating bata, masama ang pakiramdam pa din. Ako din, baka sinisipon na din ako. Good luck naman sa amin. Pinakain ko na siya ng kanin, tsaka sinasabaw pa tayo. Kagabi ko niluto yan. At saka, pinainom ko din siya ng gamot. Thank you so much mga ka-blessed. Busy si Amang. Ayan. nag-update. So, see you on our next vlog. Salamat, salamat. Bye-bye.